Packing for winter feels like preparing for an expedition to the North Pole. Everyone has that moment where they look at their suitcase and think, "Do I really need 14 sweaters? And why does everything weigh 3 kilos?" But here's the truth. Most winter packing lists online are unrealistic. Either they tell you to pack half your wardrobe, or they recommend fancy gear that only professional Arctic explorers need. Today, we're breaking it down to 6 winter packing essentials you'll actually use. Things that keep you warm, light, comfortable, and stylish without turning you into a walking laundry basket. These are real-world essentials for real travelers who want to enjoy the snow, not suffer in it. And hey, if you love practical, funny, stress-free travel advice, make sure you subscribe, because more winter-friendly tips are coming. All right, grab your suitcase. Let's pack smart this time. At number 1, a proper thermal base layer. Not that thin t-shirt you thought would work. The biggest winter mistake? People pack huge jackets, but forget the one thing that actually touches their skin. A good thermal base layer makes a huge difference. It traps heat, keeps moisture away, and prevents you from feeling like an ice sculpture. Merino wool is the gold standard because it's warm, breathable, and doesn't smell even if you reuse it a few times. Synthetic thermals are great too, and more affordable. But please, for the love of winter travel, don't rely on regular cotton shirts. Cotton gets cold, stays cold, and turns you into a walk-in refrigerator. A good base layer means you can wear fewer heavy clothes, stay warm longer, and look less like a stuffed marshmallow. Now that your body is warm, let's talk about the part of your outfit that actually fights the wind and your poor fashion decisions. Next, number 2, a windproof and waterproof outer jacket. Not all jackets are created equal. Some are stylish, but useless. Others look like a sleeping bag, but keep you warm enough to survive Antarctica. What you want is that perfect middle ground. A winter jacket that blocks wind, keeps out snow or rain, and still lets you move your arms without sounding like a plastic bag. In Europe and North America, winter weather is unpredictable. 1 minute sunshine, next minute ice rain attacking you horizontally. A waterproof, windproof shell with good insulation means you'll actually enjoy being outside. If your jacket can handle wind chill, you're basically invincible. Pro tip: choose a jacket with deep pockets. Winter travelers store half their life in there. Great, your torso is warm, but what about your fingers? Because if those freeze, Everything else becomes pointless. Then, number 3, touchscreen gloves that actually work. Winter tip: you do not want to take your gloves off every time you check Google Maps. Open your train ticket or take a photo. That's how fingers die. Or worse, how you drop your phone into the snow. Get warm gloves with good touchscreen fingertips. Not the cheap ones where you have to tap 47 times for your phone to respond, causing you to question your entire life. Proper touchscreen gloves let you swipe, type, and take photos without freezing your hands. Bonus: get gloves with grip. Slippery gloves plus smartphone equals tragedy. Now that your hands are saved, let's move to the most underrated winter essential that literally decides whether your feet stay happy or cry for help. Moving on, number 4, waterproof, non-slip winter boots. Your regular sneakers might look cute, but they will betray you the moment they meet snow, ice, suey, or slush. Winter boots matter, not for fashion, but for survival. Look for boots that are insulated, waterproof, and have good traction. Falling on ice is a rite of passage, but doing it 5 times a day is not part of the European travel experience. Good boots keep your feet warm, stable, and dry. And dry feet equals a good mood. Plus, you walk a lot during winter travel. Christmas markets, old towns, train stations, endless city strolling. Cold feet equals ruined day. Okay, your body, hands, and icky feet are sorted. Let's talk about the one item that has saved travelers more times than Google Maps. Up next, number 5, a compact power bank. Because cold weather kills phones. Cold weather drains battery fast. Like, suspiciously fast. Phones go from 80% to 12% in 1 hour because lithium batteries hate the cold. A lightweight 10,000 to 20,000 milliamp hour power bank keeps your phone alive during long days outside. Whether you're taking photos of snow-covered towns, doing translation apps, or navigating winter streets. A dead phone in winter is uniquely stressful. You can't call an Uber, can't find your hotel, can't check train schedules, and can't take pictures of that cute Christmas market. Power banks equals sanity. And finally, let's talk about the winter essential people forget until the last second. And finally, number 6, lip balm and moisturizer. Your skin will thank you. Winter air is dry, wind is harsh, and heaters inside hotels turn your skin into an abandoned desert. Chapped lips, cracked hands, flaky skin. It happens to everyone, even the people who pretend it doesn't. A tiny lip balm and a small moisturizer make a huge difference. They weigh almost nothing, take no space, and prevent your face from feeling like sandpaper. Trust me, dry skin ruins more winter selfies than bad lighting. And yes, even men need moisturizer. This is not 1950. So, there you have it. 6 winter packing essentials you'll actually use. Not the usual complicated gear that influencers recommend just to look cute on Instagram. These are real essentials that keep you warm, dry, comfortable, and happy from morning till night. If you want more travel guides that are practical, funny, and guaranteed to make your next trip easier, don't forget to subscribe. Your next smooth adventure starts with the next video. Stay warm, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.